So boys, here is our crash guard. So I'll address one or two concerns which was there in the discussion. First one, is it easy to remove the dipstick? It is completely easy to remove the dipstick. No complication as such. You can easily place foot here on the foot pegs. No complication here as well. Absolutely no vibration. You won't feel this thing is there on the bike. It is that good. It is that sturdy. Here is the slider. That's all. This is on the right hand side. This is a grab, and there is mounts on that side, and this side as well. This is how it looks from the top, from the left hand side. Again, no issues in placing your foot. Yes, if you want to work on any of these portions, definitely you have to dismantle this thing, but it is quite easy. There's two mounts on that side. There is two more mounts on that side as well. This is the fog lamp mount. You can optionally put a fog lamp there. All the edges are capped. This is how it looks from the front. Okay, this is the cross mount for additional stability.